Hello and welcome to our video on the best door locks for apartments and renters. As a renter, you want to feel secure in your home, but you also want to make sure that you're not damaging the property or breaking any lease agreements. That's why it's important to choose a door lock that provides the right level of security without compromising your rental agreement. In this video, we'll be taking a look at some of the best door locks for apartments and renters. We'll cover a range of options, including traditional deadbolts, smart locks, and keyless entry systems. We'll also discuss the pros and cons of each type of lock, as well as factors like price, ease of installation, and compatibility with different types of doors. So, whether you're a renter looking to upgrade your security, or a landlord looking to provide your tenants with better protection, this video has got you covered. Let's get started. Number 1. Defender Security Door Lock. Small, discreet, and effective, the Defender Security Lock physically blocks the door from opening. It's simple to lock since you swing it toward your door until it snaps into a slot on the lock's bottom. We like that it's an easy installation in most cases, though it leaves a few holes behind. Defender rests against your door when locked, which is a huge advantage, and it can withstand up to 800 pounds of force. There are no keyholes to pick, and unlike a traditional swing latch or chain lock, it doesn't allow your door to open even a crack, so it's virtually impossible to tamper with from the outside. While it fits most exterior doors, it's less than ideal if your apartment door fits snugly in its frame, as you might have to chisel out some wood to get the security lock to fit. The included screws sometimes break during installation, so it's not uncommon for users to buy extras. Although the lock is effective, some users report a loss of functionality over time and say that Defender can be challenging to unlock. This is especially true if you find the sharp edges uncomfortable to hold. Despite its occasional drawbacks, most customers love Defender as much as we do. Number 2. Wyze Smart Lock. If you like the idea of a hands-free, keyless door lock for your apartment, then the Wyze lock is the easiest way to get it. We love how Wyze Lock's Wi-Fi connection makes it easy to unlock with your phone and grant guest access when your family's in town. This is a retrofit-style smart lock, which attaches to your existing deadbolt instead of replacing it. On the outside, your lock looks as it always has and still works with your existing keys. But inside, you swap the standard thumbturn with a battery-operated smart device. Installation is easy, it requires only a screwdriver and a smartphone and takes less than 20 minutes for most folks. You'll need to swap the batteries a couple of times a year. The Wyze app keeps you in the loop when it's time. We love how discreet Wyze Lock is and how it still allows your property manager to access your flat for maintenance. Number 3. Adelock Door Lock. Known as the original portable door lock, the Adelock is the easiest, lowest impact item on our list. It works as a door blocker, hooking onto the existing strike plate on your door, so there's no drilling or changing out the hardware. Like the Defender Security Lock, you need to ensure there's enough room between the strike plate on the door frame and the edge of the door itself for the Adelock to slide through. It's even a good travel option for Airbnb and some motels that may not have a chain or swing bar to secure the room while you're inside. Don't let the $32 list price deter you. The Adelock portable door lock usually costs about $18 on Amazon. You can even score an Adelock 2-pack for around $30. Most complaints from customers are about this lock not fitting their entrance doors, so it's worth the extra time to ensure a good fit. If your latch doesn't match the shape on Adelock, consider Ace Mining instead, a similar product in our honorable mentions. Number 4. Kwikset 980 Door Lock. If you want to lock up your belongings when you're away from your apartment, the Kwikset 980 deadbolt is as sturdy as they come. This traditional lock has an ANSI Grade 1 rating, the highest rating for a cylinder lock, commercial grade, making it very resistant to bumping and picking. The 980 Smart Key feature is incredibly helpful since you can rekey your own lock. Now you can upgrade your apartment's deadbolt without giving your landlord another key, just rekey to your existing keys, and you're good to go. There's also a Smart Key rekeying kit for easy key swaps. Keep in mind that Smart Key works only with KW1 type keys, which are common to many locks. You can't use Yale, Schlage, or specialized keys with this feature. This deadbolt lock typically retails for around $60, though it's often available for less. It's a little pricier than standard deadbolts, but it's worth the investment. Of course, the base Kwikset 980 is only the tip of the iceberg. Number 5. Schlage B81626. The Schlage B81626 combines a deadbolt's ease of use with a door jammer's lockout ability. It has a thumbturn on the inside for you, and a solidly blank plate for everyone on the other side. It signals to intruders that there's no picking your lock since there's no keyhole to pick. We love this lock for partitioning private living spaces for tenants in a shared apartment. It's an excellent supplement to a locking doorknob or deadbolt in a dorm because you can use it to secure your door while sleeping. Still, remember that not having a keyhole on the Schlage B81626 is a two-edged blade. For one, it's almost impossible to lock yourself out of an empty room, but it's just as easy for someone else to sequester themselves without your permission. We recommend using it alongside a traditional doorknob lock or deadbolt when you leave for the day.